Hi everyone! In this video I will talk about LSIM for end-to-end learning of reusable skills through intrinsic motivation. LSIM takes place in the framework of reinforcement learning, where the agent tries to maximize the expected cumulative reward by acting in its environment. One issue in reinforcement learning is to learn skills that can be used on several tasks. For example, if the agent can move in the 4 cardinal directions, a skill can be to go to the far right of its environment or to reach the top left corner. One way to learn such skills is to use an unsupervised objective. This way, the learning process becomes bottom-up, that is, the agent first learns the skills, and then only it learns to hierarchically use them to solve some tasks. This paradigm has 2 advantages. First, it improves explorations when rewards are sparse, and secondly, it can use the skills on several tasks. One way to learn some skills with an unsupervised objective is to use DIAN. DIAN maximizes the mutual information between skills and the states visited by each skill. So there are 2 learning modules, skills, here pi0 and pi1, and a discriminator, here q. Let us see how it works. So firstly, all the modules are randomly initialized. Then the discriminator will try to assign a different area of the state space to each policy. Each skill will target the area assigned by its discriminator. And at the end of the learning process, each skill will go into different states in the state space. There are 2 limitations in DIAN. First, it requires the pre-training phase to be used in a hierarchical setting. And secondly, the skills target uninteresting areas of the state space relatively to some tasks. So LSIM tackles these issues and tries to learn the skills and at the same time learns to hierarchically use them to solve some tasks. And this way, it can focus its learning process on the skills that are useful for the tasks assigned to the agent. How do we do that? LSIM progressively builds a tree of skills where each node is a skill and each child node is a refinement of its parent skill. So there are 3 steps. Firstly, LSIM learns skills with the same objective as in DIAN. So here, LSIM learns skill 0 and skill 1. Secondly, it chooses the skill to refine with the external task. So here, skill 0 gathered more rewards than skill 1. So the agent will refine skill 0 into new subskills 0, 0 and 0, 1. This time skill 0, 0 is better, so it refines it into several subskills. And the agent will repeat the procedure and keep expanding the tree. Let us visualize the skills learned by the agent. So here each square corresponds to a skills, and in red we can see the area visited by each skill. For the 4 first skills, we can see that the agent targets different areas of the top left room. However, the agent is unable to leave the top left room. When it refines skill 1, it can reach the top right room, and similarly, when it refines skill 2, it can reach the bottom left room. And finally, if it refines again skill 2, 3, it can reach the farthest room, which is the bottom right room. In fact, we can see, looking at these skills, that the agent, when it refines a skill, either target a more specific area of its parent skill or expand the area of its parent skill. We made more experimentation on more complex environments, and in this experimentation we show that firstly, it can learn the task in an end-to-end way. Secondly, it outperforms a state-of-the-art algorithm when rewards are sparse in the environment. And thirdly, it can use the skill learned on a task on another task. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon.